and you are now watching the Nina channel.
Need just a little bit more energy. Nina.
Okay, I'm Nina, Bonina Brown, and you are now watching the Nina channel. Oh, I hate my life. Okay, how long do I have to smile?
Oh, we're done with you, Nina. Fish and chips.
Hey guys, it's me, Nina Bonina Brown, and this is my, I guess you could say, African-American version of Harley Quinn. I just was tempted to do this look, and I like it. It came out really good, and I feel good that I actually went back to like doing a little body paint, you know, what I normally used to do. I want to talk about that. You know, I used to do a lot of body painting and different things and illusions on the face, but I was doing it all before social media got really big, and then I just never seemed to blow up like all the other artists that got shared all over the world. So I stopped doing it, really. But that's just a little story. But anyway, yes, honey, she's feeling her Harley Quinn tease, darling. So if you want to see how you can transform to this, darling, then stay tuned and let's get to it. Hey guys, so welcome back. Yes, as you know how my channel is. Some things were not recorded in this. I don't know how. You may not see me contouring, but I mean, y'all should know how to contour by now. I mean, you know, you know. But I guess right now I'm using some concealer I already have on my base, and we are just going to be creating a more feminized face, you know? If you already bought your feminized face from Kroger's or Walmart, do you? Yeah, so just put it on. I don't know what the brand is. I don't remember. This was shot 2 years ago, probably. So, you know. Then, of course, you want to blend, and I'm just using my beauty blender. And I already did the brow. Don't y'all judge me. I don't know how it already got there, but I'm just cleaning up underneath it, cleaning on top of it, making it look more precise. And then, of course, you just want to blend it away. And now we are going to be baking and shaking. Using a little bit of shake and bake. You know, just not too much. A little crispy chicken ain't never hurt nobody.
Crispy chicken, fresh lettuce, 3 cheeses, fresh rice and
Oh, yeah, my poor Auntie Miri. Yeah, we don't talk about that no more. Now, just putting a little blush, or as they say in the UK, a little blusher. I don't know how they put an ER at the end of blush, but you know what? Just buy the bullshit. Just go along with it. And now I am just doing some unique like cards. It kind of just came to my mind. Very, you know, Harley Quinn, Joker, clown tees. So just my own personal design. But do what you want to do, you know? Then going to just painting some white with the Meron Paradise paint. And oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all, like the black content is one of those, it's not a full sclera contact, but it's like a big one, but not the full one that covers the whole eye, of course. It's pretty comfortable, honestly.
Now you're probably wondering, wait, when did you get lips? I see what happened was I didn't record that part, sue me, girl. But yeah, I painted little teeth, give it a little open mouth illusion. You know I like doing that. Sorry guys, don't sue me. And right now, just actually as well, making the cards look more like realistic, creating some shadows around it. So, just doing what I do. Now putting on a little fish laugh. I said fish. I swear to God, Hallows Eve, don't you try me. I didn't want to do a 301 sue me. I don't need 301s with the face of a goddess. Now we are taking some, I think that's NYX like glitter glue, and I'm just putting a little bit on my cheeks. And we're going to be doing a lot of just highlighting and making the cheeks glow. First, I'll put on a little, I think like Anastasia glow powder. Now some glitter. So I'm putting it's like really pretty NYX glitter. I don't know which one it is. It's like diamond kind of colors, and just kind of like putting it throughout, like, on the lip, the cupid bow, the inner corner of the eyes, the cheeks. It's just to have that glow. It just makes it look really sparkly and pretty, honestly. Now spraying some MAC Fix Plus just to make it look dewy, gooey, and I think we are done. So guys, thank you for watching another tutorial. See you next time.
And here's the finished product, guys. I hope you guys like this. It was a lot of work, I know, trust me. Some things I didn't show on camera because I didn't know that I was gonna do this. So don't get mad at me. But you can do your own designs, your own things. I just kind of gave you the basics. So anyway, as always, thank you guys for tuning in. And remember to stay beat, to stay beautiful, and stay blessed. Bye.